Good morning and welcome back to episode 3 of Vlogmas. Now I have just showered. It is hair washing day, so therefore my hair is a little bit wet still, but almost dry. And I have done my skincare and now the clock is 10:49. It's a very lazy morning, but I will soon put up my Christmas tree and decorate it. And as I told you in the previous one, I'm going to some PR agencies today, two actually, because I'm going to drop off something that I had on loan for the Dior dinner. Then I will hopefully go home with something from Errands as well, because I really want to buy something from them. It's a long time since I last did that, so I really want to treat myself for Christmas and buy myself a Christmas gift. And I'm also going to deliver back the Dior saddlebag today. I really enjoyed the 2 days that I had with it. It's a very nice bag. I'm thinking that I maybe want to buy it, so let's see if I do that. And actually my boyfriend have made a advent calendar for me, and since I have started some days prior to December to have something planned for the days and also to be ahead of Vlogmas. Today it is the 1st of December, so I have gotten the first day of my advent calendar from him, and it is this candle. It's from Clean. It's a very good perfume from them that I really like. It is called Skin. And this is in the scent Winter Pine, which smells like Christmas trees, and it smells very Christmassy. So yeah, that was the thing that I got from him today. And also I did forget that I have another advent calendar. It is only 4 days, but I will show you the first day of that one today. That was my little check-in for now. I will go and make some breakfast or lunch, and then I will put up my Christmas tree. If you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene and I do videos and vlogs about luxury fashion, handbags and shoes. So if that's something you like, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Let's go and make some breakfast. Let's unbox day 1 of my advent calendar. This is from Stephen Jacobs. So it is a pair of earrings. I think they are very cute. I really like them. I also did buy something for the advent calendar to stand on. So let's unbox it. So here is the pedestal for my advent calendar. It's from H&M. So these are the Dior stars that I have gotten, and I'm thinking about using them for Christmas decor this year. Goodbye to my Dior saddlebag. It was a pleasure. Hello guys, so now it is evening and I have edited the video and the advent calendar and everything, and I have come back from Hermes. I ended up with buying something for my boyfriend, not for myself, and I also did just go to one of the PR agencies that I was going to. I will stop by the other one on Monday, I think. But I also got something from the PR agency, and as you can see, I'm very tired because I have worked, so it is not the nicest look now. But I will show you what I have got. So the first thing that I got was from Ida Varg. It's a Scandinavian brand. This is the shower foam. I will probably use this one tonight. And the other one that I got was the hydrating shower foam, also from Ida Varg. I think everything I have here is from Ida Varg except for one thing, and I can show it to you now so I don't forget. It is from Real Techniques. It is the beauty blender, and I also got a body lotion in the same scent as this one, and I also got shampoo and conditioner in the same scent as this one, I think. And I also got some hair mists, one in the scent vanilla and one in the scent sunny. And the last two products that I got was hair oil, and this is a hair mascara type of thing that you can use when you are sleeking your hair or if you have frizz or anything like that. That was the products that I did get from them, and now I will watch some TV and go to bed. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Vlogmas. If you're not done watching me yet, here is another video, and goodbye!